This is Don Brill again. It's now the fall of 2023. We've found out that Stoltz no longer makes the rollers that we used for the hand-powered pinch roller system. These were 90 durometers, and we were counting on that one company to keep making them. These were for boat trailers, no longer available. I've gotten requests for what we can use, where to get these. There is an individual that had some custom made, which is quite expensive. So based on that, I got some more rice, and now I went on Amazon to get parts that people will be able to buy later. We don't want to count on just one company. This is a tool I use. It measures hardness, and the hardness is the A scale durometer. So it basically has a pin here, you push it in, and it gives me how hard this surface is. These rollers, though small in diameter, may work for our project. This one is off of a pallet jack. This is the steering wheel side. There would be two of them. These are 95 durometer, and again, I verified my hardness. These were too hard. What happens is when it's too hard, it doesn't grip the husk. So then I got a gentleman who supplies rollers for different applications. They have this one, and it's 85 durometer, and it's still 85, and it's too soft. You'll see a video of this not working. So our other choices are to cover a wheel. This is a steel wheel you can get on Amazon with 90 durometer polyurethane. So we'll be gluing those on just like we did in an old video where I custom made my own wooden rollers. So and now there'll be another video where I'm going to coat the polymer or glue it onto these. These you can buy round. We just have to design a system where you'll be able to find the exact metal. And hopefully we can do that. Now, other things that have changed. When I first started this, I was using a chain that looks like this. This is number 45. Then we dropped it down to a number 35. And now I'm going to try a chain that's 25. The reason we had to go with a smaller chain is these two are so small that I have to be able to get the chain to go up and around. And this was the bearings that we would normally use. They're the same diameter of this equals the width of this. So that's a problem. We could grind off one of these sides, but instead of that, we're going with this 25 chain. The bearing that's going to hold it, this is now, we've switched to metric. This is a 12 millimeter bearing for a shaft. And it looks like a toy, but it may work for us. And you can see how small the two sprockets are now. And then this is the idler. So I just wanted to give you the heads up that that's what I'll be working on. These, if you wanted to make a big one, you could glue the polyurethane onto here, and in fact if you wanted to make a really big one, you would glue these two together and then coat this whole thing with polyurethane. So in the next couple of weeks I should have a video out covering how I did it, how to get the shafts centered on these rollers, and we'll hope for the best. See you next time.